This is under the cherimoya tree, and we've got lychees just sprouting. There's the brown leaf of a lychee. There's a little bit bigger one, and that also looks like a longin, and another big lychee. I counted 9 under here. So these sprouted sporadically when I just put the seeds from after we've eaten the fruit from store-bought fruit, and looks like they may have not been affected by the irradiation from customs, but looks like I'll be transplanting these into pots, and it looks like they like to grow under this tree. As you can see, it has drooping leaves, so it's shading them and protecting them from wind, so it's the perfect condition for a lychee tree.